is an order.
You have no advocate. You have not engaged any advocate.
My lord, I engaged an advocate in CAT. So he said that he can't come to High Court. And from CAT, sir, we got 3 orders. So
You got 3?
3 orders from CAT, sir.
Hmm.
So now he said that he can't come to High Court, sir. So I'm standing in person only, sir. Ma'am, sir.
No, do you wish to engage an advocate?
Yes, but sir, I've already paid him 50%, sir. I don't have much money, sir. So I will stand on my.
You can get an advocate from Legal Aid Service.
You can get an advocate from Legal Aid Service. You are not to pay anything. Government will pay. Will you accept that advocate?
Yes, definitely, my lord.
What is the issue? What is the issue?
My lord, here the issue is, my lord, she has applied, my lord, for interview for the post of microbiology, but she didn't have, my lord, requisite teaching experience, because in that advertisement there was a specific, my lord, points, my lord, or the clause was that there must be a 3 years teaching experience. 1 year something, my lord. 1 year, 3 months, 44 days. We have counted. Now, my lord, we have, my lord, after an order was passed by the tribunal, my lord, on 12th of January, my lord, thereafter, my lord, we were directed to allow her to sit for that interview. But, my lord, in the meantime, before moving that tribunal, she has also made one representation that why you are not considering my case. Then, my lord, after that, my lord, there were 13 representations came, my lord, from 13 candidates. Now, my lord, we have already formed a committee of 4 doctors, senior professors of Faridabad, Employees State Insurance Corporation. My lord. Then, my lord, they have formed, my lord, all the 13 cases were dealt with, including this applicant's case. Now, again, my lord, they've given them, my lord, I can show your lordship, my lord.
No, you are challenging which?
I'm challenging, my lord, the order.
12th January 24 order.
12th of January and, my lord, 22nd January 2020. The 2 orders passed ex parte.
22nd January.
22nd last order. Yeah,
It's not mentioned in that.
Wait.
My lord, this is 12th January.
Where is 22nd January order? Mr. Prasad.
No,
Where is 22nd January?
12th January. 12th January is the, my lord, thereafter, my lord, it has
So,
been done.
how you are agreed?
Yes, my lord. Here, my lord, the learned tribunal has directed us, my lord, at the interim stage, without hearing us, only ex parte order at the admission stage, that you are not, my lord, if your lordship kindly comes to the, my lord,
Take your seat.
penalty,
Take your seat.
penultimate paragraphs, my lord, which is at page.
So how it is prejudicial to you,
My
Mr.
lord,
Prasad,
unless she has a
who are a
requisite
senior
qualification,
advocate?
my lord,
Read the portion. Prima facie applicant has made out a case for grant of an interim relief. So what interim relief? We direct the respondents to allow the applicant to appear in the in respect of the post of service, if she otherwise eligible. Further, it is also directed if applicant is eligible to appear in the interview, necessary intimation be intimated as regards the scheduled date of interview. He will participate without allowing the participation does not constitute any right. Are key protection the
my protection,
interview
my lord, lordship kindly
you have
say,
called her for the interview.
no, over, that is over, my lord. Over up to 23rd, my lord, it was 19th to 23rd, I think that was to be done, and it is over.
Mr. Prasad, allow her to appear.
But, my lord, one respectful submission, my lord, unless I have a valid ticket, my lord,
so that is will be decided by the tribunal.
But, my lord, in this way, if we are going to allow, my lord, then that will create a precedent, my lord, over, my lord, your lordship can my lord, then, my lord, other candidates will come and go.
Other candidates have come that I have the qualification you are not giving me. She has come.
But, my lord, lordship kindly say, on the face of it, my lord, it seems.
Mr. Prasad, you call her for the interview, reject her case thereafter. What is your problem? I say, you will appear in the interview, you will take the interview. Finished.
Just a minute, my lord, one second.
Because we will give you protection.
জজ সাহেব বলছেন কি তুমি ঢেকে যাও, তুমি রিজেক্ট করে দাও, যদি না থাকলে তো হবে না, কিন্তু কি করবে? My lord, I leave it to your lordship, but lordship kindly say, there would be a Pandora box, my lord. In this way, we will, my lord, start doing this, my lord, then,
Mr. Prasad, that is a very common argument. When it will open a Pandora's box? Suppose if we allow a person who didn't even apply to allow to participate in the interview.
but my lord, after due
Yes, that-
verification, my lord, kindly, this is record qualification, my lord.
Ask your client to go back and sit.
আপনি চলুন, এটা রেখে দিন, আপনি যান, আপনি চলুন, যাচ্ছি। My lord, if your lordship kindly comes to my lord, page 47, your lordship will find, my lord, that limit pay scales educational. My lord, for the, here, my lord, your lordship kindly say for board specialties, Master of Medicine, MD, page 47, my lord. Master
yes.
of, yes, Master of Medicine, MD, or Master of Surgery, MS, or Diplomat of National Board, DNB, equated to Master of Medicine, MD, or Master of Surgery, MS, in the concerned subject. And B, this is very important, Lord, at least, my lord, 3 years teaching experience as senior resident or tutor or demonstrator or registrar or assistant professor or lecturer in the concerned specialty or super specialty in a recognized teaching institution after obtaining the postgraduate degree. But she has done, my lord, as a tutor, as a PGT, postgraduate training, not postgraduate, after completion obtaining the postgraduate degree. This was the mandate, my lord,
So 3 years experience
as well as postgraduate.
senior resident or tutor or demonstrator
Yeah.
in concerned specialty after obtaining postgraduate.
This was the, but my lord, we have considered everything,
No,
all
this
the,
is educational and other qualifications.
yes, my lord, other,
So
my-
what is the selection process? Only interview.
only interview,
Only.
then my lord, if she succeeds,
But
then the
now-
call letters and all that, my lord, will be
After no. Only selection process is only interview.
interview.
So you filed this original application on 19th of January.
Original
Before
application.
us,
Oh,
writ petition,
Yes.
19th of January. Thereafter, you filed a vacating application.
Yes.
So what remains to be decided here?
Yeah, yes.
So do you withdraw or we pass necessary order?
But my lord, here I have
Your
come up,
officer does not seem to be appropriately assisting the tribunal. Your officer says, I will not intimate the scrutiny.
no,
issue.
my lord, kindly says, my lord,
First answer
page
one,
49,
please
page 49.
answer one query.
Yes, my lord,
You have approached us
yes,
19 January. You went and filed on 24th January a vacating application. Why should we go into this?
my lord, one respect to submit.
Your officer says on 18th of January that we will go to the High Court. We will do nothing. Don't you think this is audacious? Your communication on 18th of January
My
by
God.
your officer is
My
that
lord,
I will not allow you.
no, but
We have approached the High Court.
no, my lord, lordship kindly good, bad, indifferent, lord, but
Too
lordship,
bad indifferent.
no, good, bad, indifferent in the sense, lord, lordship kindly says, no, that's, I'm not on that, but I am on this, my lord, lordship kindly says that, lord,
So you
have-
could have
you
said,
consider that,
so very good. You could have told her that you don't fulfill the condition. This is the order. We will not allow you to appear. That is what the tribunal said.
scrutiny report is there, my lord, she got it, my lord,
Maybe your
My-
conduct is not proper, Mr. Prasad. 18th of January, you intimate this lady that we are going to High Court. Huh? A competent authority has decided to file an appeal before the High Court.
because, my lord, my lord, at that point of
So
time, my
you
lord,
file the appeal. Who stopped you? You are saying your contention is under the advertisement. We are not required to intimate the petitioner because she is not eligible.
not eligible.
So where is that communication in this one?
But my lord, I am before your lordship, my client is before your
my
lordship, my lord. My lord, my
My lord,
client is before your lordship, my lord,
January already over.
over,
Now tribunal has passed a fresh order
yesterday,
on 22nd January.
22nd January.
They fixed an alternative day of for holding.
And that
interview
application was disposed of,
and allow her.
yes.
So now there is no what the use of challenging this order dated 19. 19 order actually gone. Now again another order came. 22.
22.
MA 106.
Ah.
MA 106 was
What
filed by her, and that was disposed of ex parte.
No,
To-
that was not disposed
Yes.
of. That-
That was done ex parte. Only for applicant was present, and that was disposed of.
Mr.
Lordship
Prasad,
insists-
Now you withdraw, and if you want to challenge the 22 order, you can challenge whatever you will do. Whether
face
you
the
will
tribunal, face the tribunal.
face
Tell
the
the,
tribunal.
tell the tribunal because why you are anticipating this, Mr. Prasad? Because tribunal cannot pass an order of contempt in that application. Tribunal or the maximum, what can tribunal do? Tribunal will say that Mr. Prasad, you are appearing when we have expressed a prima facie opinion. You allow her to appear in the interview. It will not create precedent, no benefit, nothing. Ultimately, Mr. Prasad, if you find that she does not fulfill the qualification, tribunal has said that no, give him the appointment.
I leave it to your lordship.
So withdraw.
I will be your lordship.
No,
But-
no, you consider even if we remain with you and we set aside the order dated 19, that 22 order will remain. The order passed by the learned tribunal on 22, it will remain.
22 and then lordship.
Yes, by passing 22, the tribunal has
My lord, I have
directed.
no instruction, my lord, to withdraw, but your lordship kindly passes the necessary order, my lord, as your lordship thinks fit and proper, my lord. My
Sir,
lord, I have no instruction to withdraw this, my lord,
My-
because I have not that
No,
instruction.
we
I-
will.
I
My
leave it to your
father has
lordship, my lord.
only asked you. We are not saying that you.
Oh, yes, my lord.
you
I leave
are-
it to your lordship, my lord. Now, your lordship kindly, my lord, under the facts and circumstances, your lordship can, my lord, I leave it to your lordship.
My lord,
This is
please
the
give me a
position
chance
to
to
orders
prove
pass
my
ex parte,
eligibility.
and that-
I have all the documents and everything.
That is not for us to decide, madam. That is for the tribunal and
Yes.
them. That is not for us to decide.
Definitely, sir. But he's saying I'm not eligible. That is why, sir, I'm saying that please see my
So
facts.
he will not say that you are eligible. Will he ever say you are eligible?
Tribunal has not as yet decided the point.
Yes.
So we cannot
That is for tomorrow. Yes, sir.
go into that question.
Yes, sir. Dismiss. Yeah.
But, my lord, the valid points have been raised before your lordship, lord, in this writ petition.
Huh?
Valid point has been raised, my lord, by my client.
He said.
My valid points, my lord, she is not entitled, otherwise, my lord, how she can be able to, my lord, sit for that.
Sir, he's calling me PGT. He himself don't know what PGT is, and I want to explain that, sir. And PGT here is mentioning that while I was doing PhD, I'm not a student of medical. I'm a non-medical. He was showing you the wrong education classification also, sir. So all these, sir, I'm already working in ESIC Corporation right now on ad hoc basis as assistant professor. That post has to be permanent. For that, sir, I'm fighting. If I was not permanent, sir. How I'm working on contractual basis on the same corporation in Patna itself, sir. The main point is this, sir. And sir, if I don't prove my eligibility here, sir, I will be kick off because, sir, once the permanent comes here, the contractor will be fired. So for my bread and butter, sir, I'm fighting, sir.
And initially, the tribunal, by passing an interim order, directed them to allow you to interview. They have challenging the same. They have come before this court. Okay, now again on 22nd, another order has been passed.
Yes.
We are thinking about that. Whether you are eligible or not, that matter will be finally decided by that time. Okay, don't be excited. Don't worry, your matter has not been ended as yet. The petition is directed